Ciao a tutti and welcome to this new video. I am Marta and I'm Italian and I will accompany you during your trip in discovering more about Italian language and Italian culture. So, let's do a brief introduction about Italy. So, Italy is a country and is divided in 20 regions. Many people don't know that every region has its own dialects, so more than one, that can be even very different from each other within one region.
Già, mannaggia la terra, ero fu una passonata l'albero di limone che servettero allo strepo modello lattone che li casci e li gnamma a beta fragida rostanna recovato l'ossa carruiata di meglio morte che il sono stramorto.
But in these videos we will learn the basic Italian that everyone will understand and will speak. Where you can use your Italian, except of Italy of course. In San Marino and Vatican there are little tiny states inside of Italy, but they are not a part of Italy legally. So then in a part of Switzerland, Croatia, Slovenia, and also you can find many minorities of Italians around the world. Australia, USA, Canada. For example, my grandma's sister moved to Canada when she was 19. So she will speak the ancient dialect of south of Italy.
You wanna be Americano, Americano, Americano. You were born in Italy.
And English from Canada. And also a bit of French. Before starting to learn this language, I want to give you some advices. The first one is the fluency. You should be calm and relaxed while learning and talking in Italian. So there is this stereotype of Italian being relaxed, eating food, staying at the table for many hours, and this is partially true. So when you're talking in Italian and learning this language, you should be the same. Like relaxed, voices. Calm and open your mouth is one of the most important features of Italian language. For example, when I'm saying ciao, ciao, hi, I'm opening my mouth. Or cibo. Look, my mouth is pronouncing very well all of the vowels of the word. We have many vowels in the word. Second tip is to pay a lot of attention about accents, intonation and double letters. This is the most important one. As in all the languages, accents are very important. In Italian sometimes you can see them written, like with a little trait on a letter with the accent. Sometimes they are not. For example, we have the word papa. Papa means dad. At the final A you can see an accent. But for example with the word ancora, ancora. Ancora means the accent is on the first A but is not pronounced. If I'm changing this accent in ancora, so the accent is on the O, it means more, again. So you should pay attention to this. And about intonation, everyone knows that Italians are very expressive, very passionate, maybe too much. You can see I'm always this.
Let's start with the crossed finger. What do you want? Why? To eat.
If I'm saying ancora, like you're doing this again, or ancora, I'm excited, I want more, for example. And the last thing that most of the foreign people find difficult is the double letters. You shouldn't emphasize them too much, but they should be hearable, like bello, bello, not bello and not bello, is bello. Like, remember first rule, like relax, bello, like this. I mean, if you're doing some mistakes, I can understand you. It's not a big deal, but for some words, for example, capello and cappello, it's almost the same. Capello with one P and two L means hair, one hair. Cappello means hat. So when pronouncing this, you should pay a lot of attention because I can be confused in this case. But the last rule is that you shouldn't worry, because Italians are pleasant people, most of them, and they will try to understand you and to help you while you're trying to speak. They don't like to correct people, as I can see, but you should ask them. This is it for today. If you find it useful and you want more videos, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and grazie for watching. See you soon!